So set. Set has how many concepts we covered? Set is duplicable allowed or not allowed? In set, duplicate is allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Set defined with curly braces. Add functions works, clear works, removes works. Difference of discard, remove and discard. What is discard function does, guys? Discard never gives you error. Good. And never ever say set is mutable and immutable. Indexing slicing is allowed or not allowed? Index discard doesn't give error. Okay, good one. So this one. So today I just introduce a new concept, superset and subset. And union set operations, union operations. How we assign union, which symbol? And. End or pipe? Pipe symbol. Intersection, and. This is intersections. Can we go ahead difference now? Can we go ahead difference, guys? What is the next operations? Difference operations. Now set operations. And the first one, we go ahead to the difference. So difference, just go to the code and just go to my code here and A and B and C, right? A, B, C. Can you try to do A minus B? What is output? 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3. Is it? Just go ahead and execute 1, 2, 3 because 4, 5, 4, 5 is common. So 1, 2, 3. Guys, I hope you understood what is meant by difference. Did you get this, everyone? So why? How many of them didn't bring laptops, guys? Why you didn't bring? Kya ho gaya? How many of them didn't bring laptops? Okay, please bring. Okay, team. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So guys, are you clear? What is A minus B? And B minus C. Can you check what is output B minus C? B minus C, what is output? So B minus C. C has, okay, 4, 5, 6. Just go ahead and check. You have 4, 5. So you won't get 9, 10, isn't it? You won't get 9, 10. I hope this one clear. Just go to the next one. Now, so can I type A dot difference of B? Check. We have got 1, 2, 3. We can write in two way. So difference is a functionality of set operations or not? So just go ahead. Now I want to do B dot difference tab. Do not use complete sentence, do tab. Are you doing, guys? Okay, then go home, C and execute. Cool. Now difference, understand everyone? Complete the difference. Don't take much time. Just go ahead. A dot symmetric difference. Do you see there is a difference and symmetric difference? Just go to B now and try and execute. Okay, cool. What you get now? Do you see A dot symmetric difference? What's mean by that? The common elements are disappear. In A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In B, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Assume in your organizations, you have the organization has a two business, or maybe one business runs in two country. So one business, let's say Reebok shoes, right? The Reebok shoes is a global product. Let's say the India and China. So you want to see which are the common element which is impacting on both and display rest of them. Don't you think that the product which is common, it remove and give rest of them? Are you understand? So this features is very important, and this concept called symmetric difference. So online team, everybody clear? So that's what, when you work with me, things would be pretty clear. And listen and work with me. So just go here and then difference versus symmetric difference. So how do you know it? Just go to this code and shift tab. So return the symmetric difference of two sets as a new set. That is, all elements that are in exactly one of the set, it is a built-in function. Functions are two type. Inbuilt function, also called as built-in function. Understand? Built-in functions, inbuilt functions, both are same, but user-defined function is different. Okay, symmetric difference we done. Just go to the next one. So symmetric difference we covered. Just go here. And can you do B minus A? A difference B. What is B minus A? So A minus B, just try it now. Anybody response? B minus A? 6, 7, 8. A minus B. And A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So here B minus A, check. 6, 7, 8. Pretty clear? Understand this concepts, everybody. Yeah, 6, 7, 8. Cool. B difference, you will get it. I don't. Okay, symmetric difference, understand? Now the next one, update the set calling difference update method with the difference of set. Okay, forget about this. Just try to understand. A print, okay, print A and print B execute. Okay, so what happened? So B dot, which updates, guys? Difference update of A. Now, when you check, when you got to B, 6, 7, 8, do you see this, guys? What you find differences here? So 6, 7, 8 is different from A because 4, 5 is available in A set, but in B set. So guys, got the logic here? So these documents, can you please share? Amlan, I will share today. Let me finish, I said. Please work with me. Understand? If I don't share, I don't do anything with this document. These documents make you a non-technical to expert in less time. You don't have a time anymore, isn't it? So these documents will complete today. I will share you all these documents. Guys, I hope you're clear. Yes, Amlan? Let's go. So concepts clear or not? So B dot difference update. Now A dot, if I try A dot difference update and B, what is output? So even B dot diff A also, that's fine, guys. If it's give, then there is no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, because 6, 7, 8. So here A dot difference update B, what you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean to say the difference update work when both are same. I hope so. This is what few things when you work, you got to understand and make a documents for this. Clear? So if I don't explain this one, if I give you this, will you work? But the explanation is not that correct. When I explain, if this type of documents available in Google, isn't it? Then go and download and work then. Make sense or not? First, let me explain, because the explanations has more meaningful, then you can work anything. Okay. Symmetric difference we covered, guys. Symmetric difference we covered. And then last concept. So here, superset and subset, and what exactly the next one we have? Disjoint. Very important concepts, and this I will try to write down. Disjoint, superset, subset, and okay. What is superset? Parent class. What is subset? Child class. Disjoint. There's no relation among anyone. Okay. Try this. I'll take ABC. I already considered. So what I'm going to do now, let me copy. This is inheritance concepts also. You can consider A already considered or not. I will take A1, B1, C1. Can I say 1A? No. Can I take 1B? No. So here, just assume, check this. So superset, subset, disjoint, the three concepts we covered this. I can say, does B1 is subset? We get B1. I think okay. B1 is subset. Just my mistake. I'm asking, B1 is subset of A1. Answer me. Yes or no? So what is A1? Parent. B1 is child. Online team, can you ping? What is your got response? True. Definitely B1 is child of A1. But now if I say does copy and does A1 is subset of B1, can you tell me what is answer now? Can you tell me? Just go ahead and execute false. Do you see? So always superset. In set we called superset. In OOPS we called as superclass. Understand him? In OOPS concepts we call this as superclass. In set we called as subset, but in OOPS we called as subclass. Also we called parent class, child class. Oops. So child inherit the super property, but child inherit dad's property. Dad never inherit child's property, isn't it, guys? So I told you. So this one, so A1 is parent. Get method I'm not getting. Amlan, use tab. Use tab. Just go here. And if you not get, you just type I and tab. Do you see this? Now C1 is tab subset of A1, false. Just go here. C1 is subset of B1, false. Just copy. C1 is tab disjoint of A1, true. Got this? Got this concepts. Just copy. C1 is disjoint of B1, true. How many of them cleared this logic? You not understand? Okay. Assume C1 is not a child. Okay. So A1 has only one child, B1. A1 has only one child, B1. Now I'm saying B1 is subset of A1, true. Okay. And C1 is subset of A1, false. C1 is not child, so definitely false. So C1 is disjoint to A1, B1, true. These are the child. Concepts, guys, everyone clear? Online team? Disjoint once more. So that's what, very simple. Here, A1 has one child, guys. C1 is not child of A1. C1 is child for someone. Now, disjoint means you need to check. So just shift tab. Return true if two sets have null intersections. All right. Now, disjoint part, we guys clear. Superset. So what is superset? Does A1 is tab superset of B1, true or false? Disjoint, no elements in common. That's right. So we're checking intersections for both. That's true, Venu. So can you tell me A1 is super? Super means what? Dad. Sub means kid, child. So A1, true or false? Good. Now let's copy. Does A1 is subset of C1? False. Because I told you already. Okay, false. Now, if I say B1 is superset of A1, false or not? Superset, subset, disjoint. Are you get same result or you got different thing? Are you got same output, guys? So this concepts where we introduce OOPS concepts. Where is OOPS concepts? We have class, method, object, all the places. And this learning we will implement in one project called GANs. Okay, what is the name of the projects? GANs. Generative Adversarial Network. We will create a text prompt. From the text prompt, we create a image generations. From the text prompt to image generations using GANs and PyTorch. We build those things later. Are you clear? So to understand I create this 5 months curriculum so interesting. You never feel bored. Just if you miss one sessions, rest of the session is gone. It's up to you. Clear, guys? Next one. The way I'm covering every day, we work with same way, guys. Every day I'm explaining same thing. Okay, just go ahead to do this now. Okay, other built-in functions. I hope you know this A, sum of A. Can you sum up all those things or not? Sum function, inbuilt function or not? Sum function is which function? Inbuilt function. Max, what is maximum number? Max of, can I give you this document today? Yes, I will give you. Min, what is minimum value? 1. So max functions, min functions, all right? And then list enumerate. You can do this. Sorted, I hope you can do. We can do this. Next one, dict. Can we start dictionary? Set we completed. Dictionary also, I will complete today. Dictionary also, we will complete today. And I'll introduce a lot of NumPy tomorrow. Every day is work. Every day is practical. Because practical would make your knowledge more fantastic. And all the 4 data structures, can I give coding questions? 97 questions, are you completed? Please, can you upload the documents today? In the documents, mention your name, author, name, how you explain, and just give me the documentations with answer. I will share the answer sheets and you can compare. Enumerate, yeah, it's already working. Somarath, enumerate function is working. When will you start stack queue? Naveen, stack queue, I will start later, last of the month. Okay, buddy? Not now. So this is algorithms. We will talk about algorithms later. Understand, Naveen? Okay. So do we have to explain? So do we have to? No, no, no. Your wish, your wish. I will give what I want you to do. Create a Word document, mention your name, your author, right? Author, create a proper questions and answers, and you can upload interview questions on. You can upload no anywhere. Just you can upload here. Don't share the secrets to outside. Don't share these things in your LinkedIn. You will upload your projects in the LinkedIn. Today, I'll give you YouTube workshop. Please upload that in your LinkedIn. My first projects in data analysis, and tag my name, and you can continue upload. Understand, guys? Okay. Can we just mention the correct options in the document? Yeah, you just highlighted. Surya, you just highlighted. Control B. That means everyone understood. Okay, good. 97. Do I need to add more questions like that? In tomorrow, I will give you another questions of data structures. Only inbuilt. User define, I'll explain later. Okay. Dictionary. Very fantastic concept. Do we go to shopping mall every day? Yes. In the shopping mall, the slates are hanging. Do you ever see this? Here, they'll mention 1 kilo potato. The price is today's offer is 30 rupees. No, man, it's 50. Nowadays, all the price are gone. Isn't it? And 1 kilo tomato, you got like 200 rupees. 100 rupees, right? Okay. So do you see this thing? So my question, this is called key and this is called value. If you see this format, this concept's called dictionary. In dictionary, we have a concept called keys and values. In dictionary, we have a concept called keys and, can you tell me which can be duplicate, which cannot be duplicate? Which can be duplicate online team, which cannot be? Is it like maps in Java? Yeah. Value keys cannot be duplicate because 1 kilo always constant. Values only today, onions can be 50 bucks. Tomorrow it's going to be reduced to 30. So very simple example. And that's the format of dictionary. Everyone clear? One example can make your concepts clear. So just in interview, don't say, if you go to the restaurant, if you see the slates, said, who is the restaurant man? What you're talking, you will say that. Just for an explanations, I'm talking like this. Okay. Yeah. So here key is unique. So that's what. Now, what is the format? The formats are the syntaxes. We have tab, key, and value. So both should be pair. Both should be pair, guys, pairwise. Understand or not? Both should pairwise. So in this pair, key has given more priority. Understand, guys? Key has given more priority. Key has given more priority. Just execute. Pretty clear? What is dictionary? How do we assign? So dictionary always mentions with curly braces. This is the format. Dict always, and dict is mutable. This is not immutable. A user can change anything. A user can change anything to key or any data type to key. User can change anytime any data type to key and any data type to values. Any data type to values. Just go ahead and execute. Concept clear, guys? Dictionary follows. Yeah. Which data structures dictionary follows? Mohammed, just can you please how to store data in dictionary? We'll wait, man. We're doing one by one. Okay, let me go ahead. Are you guys clear or not? Are you guys clear? So just one moment. So A, and let's say one moment. A underscore is equals to frozen set of A, and then A underscore fs. Remove. So, oh, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I want a small thing. I want to introduce a frozen set. The next concepts I forgot to mention, frozen set. What is meant by freeze? The bank account freezed. When the bank account freeze, what you do? Can you remove anything? Can you add some amount? You cannot add, you cannot remove, and you can't do anything. That means once the identifier is freeze, you can't do anything. So in real time, where we use this type of frozen set, let's assume a person who died, grandpa, grandmother, has bank accounts or not. The bankers, they not delete the account, they make the account is freezing mode. Are you clear what I'm saying? In the banking industry, what is the new concepts? See, I create A. Can you try this? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Execute. Now I create a new variable A underscore fs. Frozen set, I pass identifier as an argument. Understand? And then execute this. Type of A is frozen set or not. If you want to A underscore fs dot add, I want to add 10. No, because once it is freezed, you cannot add this. Understand? So some diseased person, the one who dead, has a bank account or not? Or do you think he will come and give me my money and it'll go up? No. So the person who has diseased, who then the make the account as freezing mode, frozen set. They convert the variables. So I mean, how exactly it happened? Let's say there's a person name called A, B, C. Let's assume this is a person, and so now he create a frozen set and stored somewhere. Are you guys understand him? So this is all those things. Immutable, exactly. Frozen set is immutable. You cannot edit, you cannot do anything. Okay, guys. So we talk about, can we go to the dict now? Let's work on dictionary. See, keys and values A1, B2, C3, D4. Pretty clear or not? Look at this. The PDF which I made, it is fantastic. Just once you do it, now you understand all those things. And once you solve some query, things would be cool. Am I clear or not, guys? So that's why, how many days we are in the classes? 10 days. How many days, guys? You are new to the Python. Now you do a lot of topics by yourself, isn't it? Are you feel like that, guys? 120 days, if you with me and you spend 4 hours, you will be in a different level. Trust my words. Then go here and start. Let's start. How do I define my dict? You can go to this one. Before that, I can explain my dict. Empty dictionary or not? This is empty dictionary. There's a two-way you can define the empty dictionary. D equal to curly braces and type of D. Hey, I'm just type here. Sorry, just mark down code. Type dict or not. So how do I define a empty dictionary? D equal to dict of, check this, and type of D. Isn't it? There's a two-way. So set also we define like curly braces or not? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But by default, it is dict, guys. By default, it is dict. Clear? Just go to this is a empty dictionary. Okay. So empty dictionary, how do you enter a value? To enter a value, D equal to, so the first curly braces, A, or let's talk about single quotes, or maybe I can use as 1 and 1. Pretty clear? Comma 2, then, and every time use with slice, use with. So why we learning these concepts? Tomorrow when I build some project, on Wednesday or Thursday, we build our projects on NumPy. Okay. So you will build with me. You see why we talk about this one. If you not, update method can also be used. Yeah. Yeah, you can just 2 and 3, just here 3. And then 4, then you can use 4. Just go to D. Do you see this, guys? It is empty dict. Now we added keys and value. What if I add key and value not added, it is a bug or not? It is an issue. Just go here, D1 equals to, I create another and just A and 10. A dot 10, comma B, slice missing. Syntax error. Syntax error means compile time error or not? Syntax error means what? What is compile time error? I already explained you. A user didn't mention. It's my mistake. So here, do you see this arrow mark? It's saying you not entered this. That's why you got this bug, guys. Team, am I clear up to this? So this is called, so if you B 20, you can, okay. So B is not defined. Just go here and why we got this error? D1 equal to, okay, this is the string, right, guys? A string and B string, and now D1. Pretty clear? Okay, good. Single quotes. Yeah, we've done this. Next one. So the same way, if I want to just go here, D.tab, do you have all those things or not? Dictionary has some inbuilt functions. Now, very simple. Let's, if how many variables I created? D and D1. Just go to D. I need only keys. What are the keys? 1, 2, 3, 4. D dot K app, enter, and then execute. Do you see, guys? We all get. Team, are you clear up to this? If you need values, what you need to do? D dot. Wow, great man. You are explain me the answers now. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty clear, guys, up to this. So how to get keys and how to get values. Very simple. Very simple. Now, next one. Keys. No, it's not like that. You can add anything. You can add. It's not only key. D dot items. Okay. D dot items. All items you get. When you see use items, how many items? Let's say length of D, 4 items available, guys. Keys and value, it is always pair. Understand? We use socks, guys. Socks is paired or not? So assume that. So your value cannot be live without key. So always remember these concepts. Item gives as a set. Of course, this is a pair because keys value you cannot. I will tell you. Understand? Next one. Easy. Are you working with me, everyone? Online team? Offline team, are you working with me? You got the responses? Everyone? Yes, yes. Good. Online team, please respond. You can respond to host. Please work. And when you work, more concepts would be clear. And one by one, lot of things. In 1 month, I'll give you a lot of assignments, guys. Next. Just go to this one. So here, my dict keys, none keys, values, items we go for. And then here, my dict enumerate functions. You can use loops as well. Just try. And for I in D, print I, check this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see, guys, here we got output as we got only keys. Do you see this, guys? We get only keys. But sir, how to write a, that's Surya, I'm just doing it. Just calm down. So understand, when I say I, we get only keys or not? I need a values as well. I'll explain this one. Just wait for some time. Now, before that, keys. And then you talk about assigning. So my dict of 1, indexing is working, guys. Just go here, D of, okay, G, D of 0 index. Okay, why it's not getting? So indexing, it's not work because I think you have to say my dict 1. So that means index is not work. But if you see D of 1, then you got response 1. Got the logic, guys? So indexing slicing is not allowed here. So you just, if you access the value, you have to call key. But D of 1, if you got value, you cannot call keys. What is the error? Key error. Do you see different error or not? Exactly, buddy. Yeah. Dict does not support. Yep. So here, okay, man, see, you don't try to, what's Pratish? That's fine. You understand access item using key. Do you see my dict of 1? You got 1. Understand? So here, my dict get 1, access items using get method. There's a 2 concepts, getter and setter in OOPS. There's a 2 variable, instance variable, class variable, static variable. I mean, we'll explain all those things later in OOPS concepts. So at this moment, are you guys understand accessing items or not? Next one. Add, remove. How do you add this? Now, I will share this now by the time your little expertise. If I shared this, add my dict. We have all these items, guys. Now, my dict update.dictionary. So here DOB is 1992. I want to update the value to 1995. Which functions, guys? Very simple. Can I need to type or you will do it? Can you do it? Good. Next one. So here, pop. What is pop? Removing item in the dictionary using pop method. So values will be removed based on the keys. So D here, and you try D dot pop. When you do by default functions, you got error. Pop expected at least one argument, but we got 0. So here I want to remove 4. Now let's check D. Do you see, guys? You no need to pass entire keys and value. You just pass keys, key value, both are eliminated. Team, you getting my point? But the moment when you say D dot pop, and if I pass value 3, it get bug key error. Whenever you got key error, that means something is wrong. You not enter key, you just enter value. Online team, are you understand everyone? So next one, copy dictionaries. I don't want to tell you this copy because it's easy. Now you can apply copy functions. Loop throw a dictionary. See here, what happened, guys? Check this. So when I print, I got only this part or not? I got only this part. So here, when I go ahead and go to the code, just go to D, and for I in D, print I execute. So we 1, 2, 3. Now for I in D, print I and colon. Okay. So what you do, guys? D of I. So when you execute, now let's check invalid syntax. Okay, so I think I need to I comma and then use slice here and try this. Wait, comma. Guys, you getting my point? So what you do, when I say I got 1, 2, 3. That means what? Keys only I got, but I need values as well. To get values, I separate with semicolon, D of I. D of I means we have 1, 2, 3 or not? Everything's we got. Do you see this, guys? If I use star, I get star mark. Team, I hope understand. So if I got multiple star, do you see print the patterns? In C program, you learn create a temple, create a birthday, create a tree in the patterns. We do patterns in Python in upcoming classes. We do print a patterns in upcoming classes. So if I go ahead and change to just remove it and just hyphen, you get this one, 1, 2, and this things. Just go to this code. You got this output, everyone? You got this output? Yes or no? Good. So I hope loop through is done. Dictionary membership. We cleared this name in my dict. Yes, guys. You can check. Does one in D? Yes. All any method. And all any method, you can check all of my dict one, you get through. So guys, today, yeah. So can we use remove one using pop? Yeah, we already done, Sagar. We already done using pop. Are we done or not? So guys, we complete list, tuple, set, and dict. Just execute. Just go here, markdown. So team, pretty clear. Fantastic. Are you learned? I'll share you all this file to you, and also just go ahead, file, and download. I want everyone to complete. Today there's a 3 task, guys. So can you